What's the meaning of bootleg? Bootleg. Bootleg.
Bootleg. Bootleg. The word bootleg refers to something that is illicitly made, distributed, or sold without permission. It is often used to describe illegally recorded and copied music, movies, or other copyrighted material. Bootleg products are usually of poor quality and may not meet safety standards. Despite being illegal, bootlegging continues to be a problem in certain industries, often resulting in lost revenue for legitimate businesses and potential harm to consumers. In short, bootlegging has negative consequences for both the creators of original content and the end users who may unknowingly purchase subpar or dangerous products.